If you've been watching our last few videos, you know that we've just had the most amazing time in Singapore. But today, we're going to a whole new country. Can you guess where? I'll give you a 3, 2, 1. So since we're only in Bangkok for one night, we thought we'd treat ourselves to a 5-star experience. We stayed at the Lebua Hotel, and fun fact, this is actually where The Hangover was filmed.
From the moment we arrived, we were treated like royalty and we were taken up to the 51st floor to the Tower Club Lounge, and look at this view. Up here they also had an unlimited buffet, which as you know we love, and unlimited alcohol. We were here from breakfast into afternoon tea, and I think we had about 6 plates, we were here so long. And then we finally got the keys to the room. So take a look at this. Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh my god, look, our bag's already here! Oh my god, look at the size of the place!
I know.
We've got a lounge sitting area. I've never had that before.
No, it's a full-on lounge. Why don't you go over there and you can... Oh my god, like sometimes this is the size of a whole hotel room.
I could sit here, I could sit here, I could sit here,
Oh.
I could sit here.
Oh my god. Oh, feet on the thing.
I could sit here. Got a kitchen.
Is that an espresso machine?
Oh my god, it's proper. Oh, a proper espresso.
Nice. I think they're the Columbia pods as well, aren't they?
Oh my god.
Oh yes.
This is, it's not, it's like a decent espresso
Yeah, this
machine
is the
as
one
well.
I used to have. I'll show you how you use that. So it's a full-on kitchen.
Oh, look.
Do you know what? It's not even far off the size of the kitchen at ours.
Oh no, this place is bigger than ours. Where's the fridge? Oh, there's drinks in it already. Oh, do you reckon they're going to cost anything?
Hopefully they're free.
Surely they come with a room.
Tint green tea?
Right.
Oh, you said you wanted Coke?
For a diet.
Oh, we've got
bathrobes.
gowns.
Bathrobes. Oh, slippers as well.
Is that hair shower?
No, what's this?
Oh,
there's
nice.
Hangers. Oh my god, they're not those ones where they like...
They're stuck to
They're
the
stuck
rail.
to the wall either. These are actual hangers. Wow, we still are in a fancy one.
And then, let's go back to the bathroom.
Is this a bathroom?
Must be, yeah.
Oh. Oh my.
Oh my god, look at the size of that.
I'm joking, when we booked this, I didn't realise that this bathroom like this. What?
Yeah, no, I do remember it having a bath, to be fair.
Yeah, but oh my god, look how nice that is. Balmain body lotion, Balmain price.
Oh my god, luxury. Oh my god, they're all like in
Balmain
pots.
soap.
So we've got a toothbrush set, shower caps. Oh, vanity tip.
Oh, look at the towels.
Oh, nice. All the lamps as well,
Look
the
at
mirrors.
this shower. Look at this. Oh, let me get this shower. Oh, God.
That's massive. Oh my god, you can literally fit like 4 people in there. I mean, when in Bangkok.
Balmain body wash, shampoo, and conditioner.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's sick. Right, okay. So that's the bathroom, and that is ridiculous. Right, let's move on to the
Oh
bedroom.
my god, so, look, it's a sliding door.
Oh, wow, so we can fully close off our bedroom.
That's good.
So if we have a party and we decide that we can't be asked for people anymore, we can just close off our bedroom. Let's move on to the bedroom.
You should do this when you get the room, so it's more
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. Wow.
Oh my god, that bed is
What?
huge. Oh, it's
Fucking hell. One wide angle, it barely fits.
Can I get on it to show like the
Yeah,
size?
okay.
So I'm 5'5.5".
Oh my god, so...
It's like 2 singles combined. It
I
must
know.
be like a super king.
Yeah, this is definitely a super king. It's massive.
Size reference.
Wow.
Oh my god, can't you reach the end?
Jesus, that's crazy. Oh my god, the size of that mirror as well. Jesus. This is the piece de resistance. So we asked for the balcony to be unlocked when we checked in. Now let's look at this view.
Oh, you can feel the heat.
Oh my days. Look at this view.
So we asked for the, not asked, when we booked, sorry, we got the river view.
Oh my god, all the other balconies there.
So if you get the river view, you get the afternoon light as well.
Yeah. Holy shit. Look at this view.
Look at it even like from the side as well. Like,
Yeah.
it's just so grand, isn't it? So opulent.
Holy shit.
And down here as well, you can see on. Wow.
This is crazy. I think this might be the best room I've ever stayed in my life, you know.
Yeah, and me, hands down, because you get
It's just the size of it.
You get a lounge and you get a view.
Oh my god.
You get a desk as well.
Oh my god, they put my name on here. Oh my god, it's my full government name. Nobody's.
Oh my god, look, I've got a makeup station.
Oh wow, you got a makeup station, look.
Oh no, I've done that.
That's sick.
That is.
Oh god, and they've got an ashtray for all the cigarettes that you smoke. God, look at the size of this place. This is an apartment, this.
It is. This bathroom's bigger than our bathroom.
Yeah, look at the bath. Look at the bath. Oh my god.
We don't even have a bath.
No, we don't have a bath. As soon as we got here, like, we were treated so well, weren't we?
well.
Like, literally, as soon as we got here, someone took our luggage off us. We got sat down on some comfy chairs.
Got
got waters, got
and
cold towels because it was hot outside. And literally just someone came up to us, asked if we were okay.
Even your bag fell, like, it was on the floor, but it like fell.
Yeah.
And like the guy who was like serving us was just like, you know, just like
Really-
putting it back, and they're just so attentive. And
Yeah.
all the staff seemed so lovely.
Honestly, so nice. And then the guy that like was checking us in was like, "Oh, you know, your room's not ready yet, but we'll take you up to the, what's it called?
The lounge.
The lounge.
Right, let's go outside. So the lounge, we did pay for in advance. I think it was like £15 or £20, but then you get food and drinks, unlimited drinks, including alcohol, for breakfast, lunch, and then afternoon tea. So we bought it in advance thinking, at least we can get drinks. Guys, they had like a full-on buffet, but the vibe in that was very smart, wasn't it? It was like a dress-coded environment.
Yeah.
It was
I
like,
literally had to go put trousers, like put some cargo pants on because they said no shorts.
yeah.
I'm literally wearing chino shorts and they said no sports gear. Keris is in sports shorts and a sports vest.
I know.
But they said I had to go put my trousers on.
I know. To be fair, I think they should have turned me away as well. And as it got later on, like towards afternoon, I definitely did feel a bit out of place. But this morning, oh my God, it was great. The thing was though, we had to be like on our best behaviour, didn't we? It was like, you know, when you go out for a fancy meal and you're like, got to be all prim and proper, make sure your posture's right, make sure you're holding your cutlery right.
I don't think it was that bad.
It was!
I didn't even use my cutlery.
Well, you didn't for lunch. So we had lovely breakfast. We then had like a tiny lunch. We literally just got like pizza and sushi. And I think Gaz had a few beers. I had an iced coffee and a regular coffee. And yeah, and now we've just got the room. I think now what we're going to do is we're going to freshen up because we literally left Singapore. Flight was at 4 a.m. We've been sat in that lounge. We need a shower. We need to get fresh.
Speaking of showers, we got ourselves cleaned up, jumped into our bathrobes, and then took some mandatory balcony pictures. And then just after that, I got a call from my brother who I'd not seen for 6 years. And before we knew it, we were out in Bangkok for a mad night out.
Night market.
Welcome to the Bangkok vlog!
Hello to my guys!
Welcome to my vlog! Hello to my guys! That's the famous line!
But that concludes our short but sweet 24 hours in Bangkok. Thankfully, it didn't quite end up like the Hangover and we did make our flight. Actually, guess where we're going next?
If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave it a like and subscribe for any of our future content. And like Kerry said, make sure to leave a comment down below of where you think we're going next. And spoiler alert, we are going to be back in Bangkok in a few days.
Woo!
Alright, there we go. What are you doing? Just press it down all the way. Let's go in. Don't hold it and then just Hey, let's have a look in.